Have you ever pondered on the possibility of cultivating your own oasis right at home? Imagine stepping out into your backyard, where a lush array of plants, fruits, and vegetables await, all products of your own labor and care. Welcome to the world of home gardening, a rewarding and environmentally friendly hobby that anyone can delve into. First things first, consider the kind of garden you want to grow. Whether it's a vegetable garden, a flower garden, or a combination of both, it's essential to have a clear vision. Next, identify the perfect spot for your garden. Look for an area that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. This is crucial, as sunlight plays a significant role in the growth and development of plants. Now comes the fun part, selecting your plants. Choose plants that are suitable for your climate and soil type. Research is key here. Some plants might look attractive, but they may not necessarily thrive in your region. Once you've got your plants, it's time to prepare the soil. Turn it over with a trowel or a garden fork, removing any weeds or stones. Add compost or organic matter to enrich your soil. This step is vital as it provides your plants with the nutrients they need to grow. Now, you're ready to plant. Dig a hole, place your plant in it, and cover the roots with soil. Space out your plants according to their growth size to avoid overcrowding. Watering is next on the list. Regular and consistent watering helps plants grow, but remember, too much water can be just as harmful as too little. Lastly, be patient. Gardening is not a race, but a journey. It takes time for plants to grow and bear fruit. In the meantime, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. If you notice anything unusual, address it immediately to prevent it from spreading. To recap, home gardening involves several steps: deciding what type of garden you want, finding the perfect spot, choosing the right plants, preparing the soil, planting, watering, and maintaining your garden. But the most important thing to keep in mind is that gardening should be a source of joy and relaxation. It's a chance to connect with nature right in your own backyard. So why not give it a try? You might just discover a new passion. Happy gardening!